Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix secure connection failed on Firefox browser. So friends, to fix this error there is very simple and easy method. Firstly, open Firefox browser and after that type in the search bar about semicolon config and press enter. So friends, you will see proceed with caution. So just click on accept the risk and continue. No worry about this risk. Just click on accept the risk and continue. Now click on show all. So friends, you will find a list of URL. In here you will find this URL. So type this URL on notepad, similar this text, and after that paste here. So you will find security. So you will find security.ssl.enable and this text. In here friends, you need to just double click on true, its value. So it will turn into false. That's it. So friends, only thing you have to do, search this URL in about config, and after that when you find true, so double click on it and it will turn into false. Now close your Firefox browser and reopen. Hopefully by using this setting this error will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update, and friends please comment this video work for you or not.